Good day everyone, I am Leonila Daquiado. I will introduce to you the different parts of the sewing machine. And let's start. First is the slide plate. This is a metal that covers the bobbin case. Next is needle. So this is a sharp pointed metal attached to the needle bar. Next is throat plate, a metal plate that covers the feed dog and other parts underneath the bed. Next is needle clamp. So needle clamp holds and tightens the needle. Next is thread guide. It gives the flow of thread downward as the machine works. It prevents the formation of loops or thread brought by the irregular changes of speed while sewing. Next is pressure bar lifter. It holds the pressure bar. It raises or lowers the pressure foot. Next is stitch regulator. It regulates the length and evenness of stitches. The number indicated in the plate stitch regulator will help you determine the length of stitches you want for your material. Next is pressure foot. Pressure foot is attached to the pressure bar in place as you sew. Next is the thread take-up lever. It releases the thread and interlock with the bobbin thread. Next is pressure bar. It moves the pressure foot high. Next is upper tension. It controls the looseness and tightness of stitches. Next is faceplate. It is a metal plate covering the middle bar, pressure bar, and take-up lever. It covers these parts and prevents them from dust. Next is needle bar thread guide. This is an introducing portion formed on the thread guide body for introducing a needle thread to the threading portion. Next is bobbin winder. It controls the bobbin while winding thread. Next is balance wheel. This is to set the mechanism in motion. Next is spool pin. A small steel found on top of the head of the machine. It holds the spool of the thread. Next is the rubber ring. This is a ring on the bobbin winder which comes in contact with the nut of the balance wheel. Next is feed dog. The cell-like metal found under the pressure foot. It moves the fabric while sewing. Next is belt. A leather band that connects the balance wheel to the drive wheel. Next is bed. This is a flat metal base of the head. And that's all. Thank you for watching.